What if you could get a $1,000 bonus, tax-free, and pay less for gas at the same time? Sounds good, right? Well, governments around the world are rolling out new relief plans. And today I will break down what this could actually mean for you. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we are talking about 3 things that could impact your wallet directly: tax-free bonuses, fuel prices, and tax changes. Let's get into it. First up, the tax-free bonus. In many countries, employers may be allowed to give workers a cash bonus of up to around $1,000 completely tax-free. That means whatever you get, you keep it all. Now in the United States this is not an official rule yet, but companies already use similar ideas like inflation bonuses, retention bonuses, and cost of living payments. So the concept is already happening. Here is why this is happening. Inflation has been hitting hard worldwide. Food prices are up, rent is up, and fuel costs are still high. So instead of raising salaries permanently, companies prefer one-time tax-free payments. Faster for them, and immediate relief for you. Now let's talk about gas prices. Some governments are temporarily reducing fuel taxes to bring prices down. If this spreads more widely, you could see short-term relief at the pump. But here is the catch. Lower taxes do not always mean lower prices. Oil market supply and company pricing all play a role. So realistically you might save a few dollars per tank. Not a massive long-term drop. Next, tax changes. Many countries including the United States are discussing tax reforms. The goal is simple: ease pressure on middle-income earners, adjust tax brackets, and possibly shift more burden toward higher incomes. Nothing is final yet, but these conversations are already happening. And finally, healthcare and living costs. Governments are trying to control rising healthcare expenses and adjust insurance systems depending on where you live. This could mean lower costs or system changes over time. So here is the big picture. You might see tax-free bonuses, small gas relief, and future tax reforms, but most of this is still developing, and nothing is guaranteed yet. The smartest move: stay informed, because these changes directly affect your money. If you want more simple breakdowns like this, make sure you subscribe.